Finally, refine and develop the selected ideas.
I see. And what is the screening process in research?
In research, the screening process involves selecting and recruiting participants based on specific criteria. It's crucial to ensure that the participants are suitable for the study and meet the inclusion and exclusion criteria.
That's really helpful. Thanks for sharing your knowledge and best practices.
You're welcome. Let's keep supporting each other on our project idea generation and screening journey.